Okay guys, welcome back. We are still doing footwork runs. We already did these runs with my students in the class, but whenever we do a 7 smoke or a battle, they magically forget all the runs and they do the same thing over and over. To avoid that, that's what these fits are for. But if you're just watching this, of course you can, join the fun and take this stuff if you like it. This is not foundation, right? It's more or less special variations in footwork that I think make the footwork more fresh if they use this instead of the same 6-step, 12-step, CC stuff, because that's what, you need to know. And I see it over and over and over. I want to see different variations, guys. So today we do this little run we did in the class too. This leg is out. We're going to start with doing 3 Zulu spins or 2 Zulu spins or at least 1 Zulu spin. If you don't know what Zulu spin is, I did a tutorial on it. It's a very simple move, guys. You stick this leg close to your butt, this leg steady to the front, you turn like this, like this, like this, like this, right? That's more or less what a Zulu spin is, but we're only going to do it 1 or twice. So when you see I do 1, 2, and from this part, I'm going to turn and stick my leg out, so I automatically glide on my side. Now what you also can do, by the way, is jump on this foot and glide. So when you jump, the foot blocks, so you're not just popping on your hip, but you actually glide it out. So from here we're going to make a little belly roll. I also did a tutorial on belly roll, by the way, but all it is simply going on the belly like this, swinging this arm all the way around and pulling your leg in, so you can go back to footwork like that. So that's the little belly roll. From here, I'll show from the side, we're gonna swing this leg around and not use this leg a lot. Let's pull with this hand. So we automatically start turning. I'm gonna stick both my hands and my head through this little hole I made. So automatically the hand to my back like this. Put your hands in the freeze and use this leg to turn to a freeze right here. Now from this position, obviously I can do something like a windmill, a flare, a halo, or some other move. But what you also simply can do is place the leg right here. And by doing that, you can simply do a makaku or stand like that, right? It's a little bit up to you how you want to finish this run. So that's more or less the run. It's kind of complicated if you just do it once, right? So you practice this a little bit. Also, I really suggest whenever you mess up to just continue. So it's more or less you think of, oh yeah, I can do that, oh yeah, I can do that, right? So keep it fresh. Watch the whole run, guys, and try to, like for my students, we already did this in the class, guys. You can do it. Just don't show me the same freezes over and over. Just handstands, handstands. Yeah, that's not really dancing, guys. So try to remember this stuff. Take a look. We're going to start with Zulu spin. From Zulu, we're going to glide to this little move right here and get up like a champ. Or if you want to continue, it really depends on what the other guy does in some battle, right? If they do really good stuff, you need to do more. Guys, practice this stuff and see you next time.